Let's start with the battery indicators. These show the battery usage levels of your right and left hearing aids. They turn red when your battery needs charging, and show an exclamation point if your hearing aids aren't connected to your phone. If this happens, simply try turning the hearing aid off, then back on again. Smart Assistant lets you make commands or ask questions by speaking into it. In the center of your screen, you'll see the name of the program you're currently using, plus a short description. This changes when you switch programs. To switch programs, swipe in the open space above the program name. This icon represents your program options. Tap it for quick details on the program you're using, make sound adjustments, and more. Tap Adjust Sound to manually make adjustments to the settings of your current program, and save as a custom program. Programs is the place to find, use, and edit your programs, or create a new one. My Hearing is where you can access and adjust even more hearing aid settings. These include microphone volume, tinnitus, self-check, Find My Hearing Aids, and more. At the bottom of the home screen, you'll find the volume slider. Move the slider to adjust the volume of your hearing aids. Or, to mute your hearing aids, just tap the icon on the far left. On the app navigation bar, you'll find the Home icon. Tap this to return to the home screen anytime. Tap Health to view your hearing and activity data. Learn is your resource for helpful personalized tips and how-to videos on hearing aid topics and app features. Finally, to view any details on your account or access extra app features like reminders and translate, tap More.